How to replace the battery. Before you begin, remove the base enclosure. Removal. Warning: to avoid personal injury and damage to the product, use extreme care not to puncture, twist, or crack the battery. An internal puncture or rupture to the battery has the potential to cause a short, which may result in a thermal event. Disconnect the battery cable from its connector on the system board. Remove the speaker cable from its routing channel along the bottom of the battery. Remove the 6 P1 Phillips-head screws that secure the battery to the top cover. Remove the battery. Replacement. Place the battery onto its alignment pins on the top cover. Replace the 6 P1 Phillips-head screws that secure the battery to the top cover. Route the speaker cable through its routing channel along the bottom of the battery. Reconnect the battery cable to its connector on the system board.